Have you watched Vox subtle motion graphics in their videos and ever wondered how they do it? It's so simple, but it adds so much value to a video, and this is how you do it. Load your footage in After Effects in a new comp. Click on the pen tool and draw around the object you want. Make sure that the fill is empty and you've chosen the color for the stroke. You can go back and change the size and color at any time. Once you have the outline, all you need to do is go into the Effects and Presets panel and type Radial Wipe and drag and drop it onto the shape layer. The only thing we're really going to change here is the transition completion from 0 to 100% and then back again, and which way you want the transition to happen, clockwise or anti-clockwise. These will take effect using keyframes. And it's as simple as that. You can even duplicate the layer and create an offset to add this nice little animation to it. And you can even highlight various parts of the clip that you want, like this.